So what we'll do is we'll divide the question into three parts, as in what we'll do is we'll split it up into there are 12 people, right? So we'll split it up into, we'll compare 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. Okay, so what happens is when we compare these two, then if the 1 to 4 group is lighter, then what we do is we compare 1 2 3 4 by 5 6 7 8. So in the first case which we are looking at, this part, this group is lighter than this. We know this because ये 100 नीचे जाता है and this 100 goes up. So the next step what we do is we group 1 5 6 and 2 7 8. Okay, all these are equal, so none of them, plus we know that 7 and 8 were heavier, so we test 3 against 4. Now in this group 3 and 4 are missing, so we directly compare 3 and 4. So we get this assumption कि we know कि 3 is the lightest one. In the second case, they balance out each other. 1 2 3 4 is equal to 5 6 7 8. So we know that the odd one is either 9 10 11 or 12. So we use this 9 10 11 and 12. 1 8 and 5. 1 8 and 5 are equal weights. We split this, we make this 9, we put this 9 in this group and 11 12 in this group. So depending on the outcome of this, let's assume that the outcome of this is heavier than this. So what we do is, if this is heavier than this, then 11 or 12 is lighter. Okay, because 5 isn't. 5 is not lighter because 5 we've already checked it in this part. So now 11 will compare it by 12 because obviously 11 and 12 is lighter compared to these three. So we'll compare 11 and 12 and whichever is the lighter one, that's yeah. Now the third case, 1 to 4 group is heavier. So in this case, let's assume this group is heavier than this. So what we do is, again we'll test 1 5 and 6 against 2 7 and 8. This similarly the one which we did in the first case. So in this case, what we see is that this group is heavier than this group. Let's assume this group is heavier than this group. If this group is heavier than this group, then again similarly what we did in the first case, we'll compare 7 versus 8. Now if you compare 7 versus 8, you get whichever is the heavier or the lighter one. Basically the second part is important in each and every step.